A lot of you are probably tuning in expecting to see Michael Feyrer Jr. Well, I ain't him. It's Carl, C for Carl. And Michael Feyrer Jr. is kind of busy right now. See, here's what happened. First of all, Michael Feyrer Jr. sucks at Fortnite. So I beat his ass in Fortnite, and now he's doing my laundry. And he has to keep his mouth shut. So I'm finally gonna get some peace and quiet around here. But I did find Michael Feyrer Jr.'s camera. So I'm thinking maybe we should take a look at what kind of adventure he's been on lately. I don't know. It's probably nothing interesting. I mean, I don't know what my mom sees in this guy. It's all this exercise and adventure stuff. But let's check it out. Probably one of the things that I hate most about winter is snow. I love watching it fall. That's just fine. If somebody else wants to come and shovel it, I would probably love it. Monica and I are on our way to Niagara Falls for the big YouTuber meetup though. So even this snow can't dampen these spirits. You know what I'm saying. Ugh, the positivity is making me sick to my stomach. Even this snow can't dampen these. Come on, man. Seriously. Psh. Give it a rest. We're going to Niagara Falls to meet a bunch of other dorky YouTubers who probably suck at Fortnite. That's what I heard. I'm glad you're excited. We are about halfway to Niagara. It's cold, it's snowy. Susquehanna River is right back there. This is like maybe stop number 2 or 3. It's not, I'm not sure. You can see there's a nice little mountain over there on that side. On the other side of the highway. Some pretty colors. Yeah, I'm ready to be there. We have arrived in Niagara Falls. Monica and I actually just got back from the casino, getting some dinner. And we are going to go out. There's some really cool places to take some nighttime shots. I'm interested to see how this lens performs, so we will see what happens. Doing a little bit of downtown Niagara with my little snow bunny over here. Look at her, she's so cute. There's some really cool stuff here. Here, see if you can see that. Can you see that? Look at this street. No joke, this is amazing. You guys know that I love Christmas. And this is like out of a Christmas movie right here. This is awesome. Downtown Niagara, super cool. You must be kidding me. All I see is cold, bright lights. You know what? You want to see some nice, pretty lights? Go in the house, sit on your couch, and turn on the TV. You know what I'm saying? All kinds of pretty lights right there in the warmth of your house. Out cold. What are you, out of your freaking mind? You know what? This is a cool trick. Let me show you a cool trick. You want to see some bright lights? What you do? You take one of these. You go like this. Ooh, look at all the flashy lights now. You must be out of your damn mind. Casino, Niagara Falls. We ate there, it was pretty good. Packed elevator. You want to hit the L button?
Just the way I like it.
Yeah, Monica loves the elevator.
A little cold here.
Little cold. Well, let's get walking.
I know. We were just stamping our feet. We're trying to stay.
You guys ready? Well, I'm just gonna say this. I'm sitting here, right here, with my personal heater, heating my puppies while I play some Fortnite, and you're freezing. So whose adventure is better than that? I don't know. Personally, I like warm. That's just me though. We're on the walk over to the Hard Rock now. It is not exactly what I would call warm. I've got Alejandro over here, Budget Bushcraft over here on this side. They're beautiful. Henny and Monica, all snow bunnied up. We're friggin' freezing. It is what it is. Hard Rock Cafe, how are you?
Very well, thank you. Here for the event?
Yes. Yes.
Alright, you guys can follow me this way.
Here for the event.
Vloggers have a run.
At least they found someplace warm. But what is it with this you do it guy? That seems pretty demanding. What if I don't want to do it? Why don't you do it? Somebody else can do it. I don't want to do it. Psh.
What?
During this 20 minutes,
open it?
you are going to try to avoid saying the word no, and you are also going to try to get other people to say the word no. And you must do this with creativity because they will be expecting it. Okay? So you go up to Michael Feyrer Jr. and you say, Michael, your stream is on what, 11 till 12? And he says,
Probably not.
okay, so he's smart. He didn't get me to, so if he had said the word no, I would have taken one of Michael's clothespins. And the person who has the most clothespins at the end of the 20 minutes gets a prize. So, good luck, everybody.
That's gonna be me. That Susan's creative sure is demanding. In fact, her tagline is create something awesome. What if I don't want to create something awesome? Why should I have to create something awesome? I mean, other people create something awesome that I can just buy. For example, look at this right here. Look at this. It's a fish that tastes like a pizza. It's a meal in a fish. I didn't have to create this. I just go to the store, or preferably, I ask moms to go to the store and buy me a meal in a fish. And then, when she gets home, voila! Meal in a fish. I didn't have to create anything. I think it's totally overrated. People trying to ask me to create something awesome. Psh. Everybody else is creating something awesome. Why do I have to do it? That is creating something awesome.
You've only got two and they look like they hurt.
Nah, we're doing all right. It's just hurts inside.
It hurts inside.
We are on not a topic.
Michael, is there anything that you don't suck at? I mean, you might suck worse at that game than you do at Fortnite. My God, you suck. So we are here at the falls. This is just before the falls. The falls are actually down a little bit right there. We are entering the misty area right now. It has gotten quite chilly.
Yep.
Let's turn you guys around. Look at this. The falls are right there. You can see the big one over there on the other side. Oh, and the lens is getting a little misty and stuff, but you know what? It's gonna be fun. I'm having fun. I'm freezing to death. It's gonna be great. That's as good as it gets over here in the falls on the American side. And you know what? It's misty, it's cold, but man, is it beautiful.
We're loving it.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
So we're over here at the falls, and did I get your shot?
You're facing the wrong way, man. This Michael T. Panetta guy, I kind of like this guy. He's always interrupting Michael and seems to be the only one who can get him to shut up. I like that. He probably sucks at Fortnite, though. Here. So now Jay has volunteered to go over the falls in a barrel.
100%.
We're gonna strap him in a couple of minutes. Right after the boogers start flowing out of my nose. It's gonna be freaking epic.
What kind of a wimp needs a barrel?
Anybody got a Speedo?
Just freestyle it, man. Just freestyle it. Barrels, boogers, and Speedos. Seriously. I don't even know how to unpack what I just watched. But I will say this. Jay Littman is a lucky man. You know why? Here's why. I'm gonna tell you why. Jay Littman is a lucky man. Because I don't know how old Jay Littman is, but I don't think it really matters. You know why it doesn't matter? Because Jay Littman is going to look like he's 14 years old for his entire life. Think about it. That's awesome. Because, like, if he decided to become an actor, he could get roles on the Disney Channel or Nickelodeon, even when he's 50. That's pretty awesome. Other than that, I don't really think that I need to see Jay Littman in the Speedo. I hope that's not the next segment, because I'm already sick to my stomach with all the positivity. Plus, it's pretty cold, so I'm not sure a Speedo is gonna go well in that sort of weather. You know, just a thought. But hey, you know what, Jay Littman? You do you, my friend. You do you. And by the way, Jay, I'm just wondering, man, are you any good at Fortnite?
I am here at the mighty Niagara. I don't understand what's so mighty. It's just a bunch of water. The falls, contrary to what a lot of people believe, are made out of water. It is a little known fact that water, it's all the same. Like everywhere you go, you know, they think this water is like something special. I don't know, because it's falling on some rocks. But really, like, there's water down there, downstream, and there's water further that way. You know, it's all water. They're just like, oh, it's so special because right now it's falling down.
That's a lot of rushing water. Just give me a second here. Man, I don't know what a lot of these other people are talking about, but Needy is one profound dude, for sure. That guy knows what he's talking about. Wow. Come on in here, pumpkin. No?
Check this out.
Oh my gosh.
This is ridiculously awesome. And it's overcast and it's cold and it's still probably one of the best things we've seen in a really long time.
Brings tears to your eyes when you think about the grandness.
And then all the people that we're sharing this with, this is great. This is really great.
Amazing. So this probably is about as good as it gets on the American side of the falls. The Canadians get all the good falls over there, but I don't have my passport, so I can't get over there to see the good side of the falls. So really, this is as good as it gets on the American side. And admittedly, this is pretty epic. I will say, it's just gorgeous. And in a moment, Jay's gonna come over the, oh wait, no, he's right here.
Anybody got a Speedo?
I'm nice and warm right here. That seems really dumb. We are hanging out here at the Cave of the Winds Cafe in Niagara Falls. Monica is right over here. We have made it to the island in the center of the falls, right in between Canada and the US. And so we are just warming up a little bit before we go back out. I'm gonna try to film a section of the Horseshoe Falls and see what it looks like.
We got Dennis from Driving Me Crazy.
We are standing as close to the Horseshoe Falls as you can get on the American side. It's pretty epic. It goes all the way around and over to here. It's a pretty crazy sight, to be honest with you. This is probably about as close to Canada as you can get as well. We are just, you could almost throw a stone across there if that was legal.
You got an arm like that?
I don't know. If I had an arm like that, I'd probably be playing in the NFL.
Exactly.
Yeah. Well, we have returned to the scene of the crime, the Hard Rock Cafe, after a day out checking out the falls. Of course, it's dark now. I've already proven that there's plenty of falling water right here in the bathroom to entertain you where it's nice and warm. So if you want to go out there and find your adventure, that's your problem, okay? I've already showed you what you can do to overcome all of the obstacles that you would have to go through to be out there in the cold. So do it the right way or do it the hard way. It's your call.